Hello. If you wanna know how to install APK file on the Moto G8 Plus, let's follow in front of you tutorial. So let's start from open Google Chrome. As you can see, we are in our website. This is HardReset.Info, an article about TFT Mobile. And here we have to download APK file. Click on the package installer. And now just wait a little bit. And now click on the settings. Click allow. Go back. And now just press install. Now we can open this app, and as you can see, this is really good job. So thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.